Lapierre family presents Sons of Steel Plush, January 31st, 2016, featuring Earl Lapierre Jr., Olujimi Lapierre, and Noel Lapierre, all taking place inside the Kaiso Blues Cafe, Woodford Street, Trinidad, Port of Spain. Showtime 7 p.m., tickets only $200. Many special guests and surprises that evening. Come out, listen to the Lapierre family, Sons of Steel Plush, the alternative steel pan event, taking place inside the Kaiso Blues Cafe. Come wine and dine and have a great time. We're looking forward to seeing you all inside the Kaiso Blues. For tickets, call 868-222-5688 or 868-484-3923.